question. Okay, very simple question, easy question. What is they given? See that. Find the equation of the tangent to the parabola and parallel to the line. See here, you know that it's a simple question, JE question. These all are JE questions. Okay. So you can take this as 4x square minus 5y square equal to 20. Divide by 20 both sides. So x square by 5 minus y square by 4 is equal to 1 if I divide by 20. This is a hyperbola. So here a square equal to 5, b square equal to 4. Then equation of the tangent to the parabola. Tangent equation is, what is the formula? Y is equal to mx plus under root of a square m square minus b square. So you can find the slope here. If the line, this tangent is parallel to this line, then what is the slope of the slope of this line? Slope of this line is minus x coefficient by y coefficient is means 1 here. Coefficient of x is 1. Minus 1 by minus 1 plus 1. So this line slope is 1. Then the slope of the tangent also 1. So m is equal to 1. I have to substitute. So the equation of the tangent will be, the equation of the tangent which is required as the JE question this is. That is y is equal to, I will get as 1 into x plus under root of a square, that is 5, into m square, that is 1 square, minus b square, that is 4. So y is equal to, you will get x plus under root of 5 minus 4, 1. So y is equal to x plus 1. This is the equation of the tangent. Okay. See formula क्या है? Y is equal to mx plus r minus plus r minus plus r minus plus r minus. ना y is equal to mx plus r minus है ना formula. Right. Is here equation of the tangent to the parabola is y is equal to mx plus r minus under root of a square m square minus b square. So in previous question also make it plus r minus. Answer. She is asking one doubt. Previous one you have na, y is equal to mx plus r minus under root of, what is that? M square minus 8 you got. This is only, no, you got. And one more, the one is, what is mx plus 3 by m na. You are comparing these both. So 3 by m is equal to under root of m square minus 8. Squaring on both sides means plus or minus, if you take also no use na. You are squaring on both sides. See here the next question. This is also JE question. If the eccentricity of the standard hyperbola is passing through 4 comma 6 is 2, means eccentricity is 2. Hyperbola passing through 4 comma 6. Find the equation of the tangent to the parabola at 4 comma 6. This is a JE question. Okay, let us discuss here. The question is clear, right? So I hope you have understood. What is they given? I will tell you. Eccentricity is they given 2. Okay, eccentricity they given 2. Okay, eccentricity they given 2. And what they given here? They given eccentricity, that is 2. And standard hyperbola is what? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Is equal to 0, no, 1. So this is the standard hyperbola. This hyperbola is passing through which point? 4 comma 6. This is passing through 4 comma 6. So wherever x is there 4, wherever y is there 6. Substitute here. 4 square is 16 by a square minus y square by y plus, as I can get 36 by b square is equal to 1 I will get. Because this hyperbola is passing through this point. Then find the equation of the tangent is asking. First of all you have to find a value, b value. That is important here. So you know that eccentricity is equal to formula. What is our formula? Under root of a square plus b square upon a square. Squaring on both sides, e square is equal to, you have another formula also. E square is equal to what I get here? A square plus b square by a square. E square value is 4 here. Understood? E square value is how much? 4. 4a square is equal to a square plus b square. If I send this side, 3a square is equal to b square. Means 3a square equal to b square you got. Means b square I can change as 3a square. So if I change here, get 6 by a square minus 36 by b square, I can write as 3a square equal to 1. We have to find a and b values first. So 3a square, if you take LCM, 48, 16 3s are 48, minus 36 is equal to 1. 48 minus 36 is 12. 12 is equal to 3a square. 3 1s are 3 4s are cancel. So a square you got 4. A square 4. If a square is 4, if I put here, 3 into 4 is equal to b square. So b square will be 12. So you got a square and b square values. Then what will be the hyperbola? Hyperbola will be x square by a square. A square is how much? 4. Minus y square by b square. B square is how much? 12. Is equal to 1. This is the hyperbola equation. Now you have to find the tangent to this hyperbola at the point given. So what is the formula? x1 by 4 minus y1 by 12 is equal to 1. This is the equation of the tangent. X square replaces x1, y square replaces y1. Here x1 is 4, y1 is 6. So 4x by 4 minus 6y by 12 is equal to 1. 4 cancel, 6 1s are 6 2s are cancel. X minus y by 2 is equal to 1. So equation of the tangent is 2x minus y is equal to 2. This is the equation of the tangent if you do LCM. So that is what they are asking here. Understood? Should I explain once again? Explain. See here. Is given that eccentricity of the hyperbola is 2. And is saying that the hyperbola is passing through 4 comma 6. I took the standard hyperbola is this. Passing, so I substituted this. Passing means x place and y place, we substituted this. But he is given one more thing, eccentricity is equal to 2 they given. Eccentricity they given 2. So formula is this. So eccentricity square hoga a. So e square I can write as, because e is 2, e square will be 4. So 4 and do cross multiplication, 4a square is equal to a square plus b square. See here, this is 4 and down a square, 4 into a square, 4a square is equal to a square plus b square. Sending here 3a square equal to b square. So b square value you got 3a square. This b square equal to 3a square I am putting here. So I get the a value. If I put here, I get as a square, 3a square is equal to 4. This a square, a square is equal to 4. That a square equal to 4 put here. So you will get b square is 12. You got a square value, b square value. So you will get directly equation of the hyperbola. Now if you want to find the tangent equation, x square replaced by xx1, y square replaced by y by 1. And the point is given 4 comma 6. You want tangent at 4 comma 6. So x1 4, y1 6, substitute here. You will get the equation of the tangent. These are previous year JEE questions. All are previous year JEE questions. See, this is also JEE question. All you know, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, I am explaining all JEE questions. Mainly ellipse and hyperbola. All JEE questions. Y is equal to mx is equal to y is equal to mx plus 7 root 3 is normal to this hyperbola. Then what is the value of m is asking. So normal formula, equation of the normal to the hyperbola formula is this, already explained. So here the hyperbola which is given is x square by 24 minus y square by 18 is equal to 1. If you compare here, a square equal to 24, b square is equal to 18. Okay. So substitute in that formula. So what I get here, y is equal to m, m is m only, mx plus or minus a square, that is 24, plus b square, that is 18, into m divided by under root of 24 minus 18 m square. So if you compare this and this, both are the tangent normals only. So only this c is different, this c and this c. So equalate these both, you will get the m value, because this is the normal to this one. This normal and that normal is same. So constant c you have to equalate. So what I am going to get here, 24 plus 8, that is 18. You are going to get 42. 42m by 24 under root of 24 minus 18 m square is equal to 7 root 3 given. Squaring on both sides. So what do you get here? 42 whole square into m square divided by 24 minus 18 m square root cancel. 7 square value 49 into root 3 square value is 3. So now you can try to cancel one by one. You are going to get the value of m square. So what you are going to get here? 42 into 42. 42 square means 42 into 42. M square divided by 24 plus 18 minus is right, minus m square is equal to 49 into 3. Check it is possible to cancel or not. Yes, of course. 3 ones are cancel, 3 ones are cancel, and 3 fours are cancel 14 times. And 7 table, see that 7 sevens are 7 six are 7 ones are 7 twos are. So what you got here? 6 twos are 12 m square. Here only 1 is left. So here is 1 left. So 1 into this cross multiplication will be 24 minus 18 m square. Send this side. So 30 m square is equal to 24. So m square is equal to 24 by 30. 12, 15, 4, 5. M square is equal to 4 by 5. M is equal to square root of 4 by 5 plus or minus. So m is equal to plus or minus 2 by root 5 is the required answer, because he is asking to find the m slope. So that is the desired answer. So JEE question. See the question related to tangent and normals, last question. So the question says like this: if hyperbola is passing through a point 10 comma 6 whose vertices is plus or minus 6 comma 0, find the equation of the normal to the hyperbola at point P is asking. See here, vertices given means what is the meaning of this? See, this is the hyperbola. This will be the vertex. Means this point is plus or this is plus 6 comma 0 and this is minus 6 comma 0. This length is called as A. It means A given 6. A is given 6. They given A value is 6 here. And what is the equation of hyperbola? X square by A square minus y square by b square, y square by b square. Y square by b square is equal to 1. and this hyperbola passing point is 10 comma 16. 10 if I substitute, 10 square is 100 by a square, a is 6, so a square will be 36, y square by b square we don't know is equal to 1. But y is passing to 10 comma 16, so y plus I can write 16 square, 16 square. What is the value of 16 square? 256, no? 16 square is 256, correct? Correct, na? See, 100 by 36 minus 16 square. 15 square is 225. 16 square is 256. 256 by b square is equal to 1. So, minus 256 by b square is equal to 1 minus 100 by 36. See, this is 100 by 36 sending this side, minus 100 by 36. So, minus 256 by b square is equal to 36 is the LCM. So 36 minus 100. So you get 256 by b square is equal to, you are going to get this value is 64. 64 by 36. Now you can cancel here 64 table. How many times cancel? 64 fours are. 64 fours are na? 64. I think 64 fours. 64 fours. It means what I got here, b square is equal to, you got 36 into 4. Here is you got minus 64, minus cancel, because here this will be minus. So 36 into 4. So b square value you are going to get 36 into 4. 6 4s are 24, 4 3 are 12, 144. B square equal to 144. So B square you got 144. A square you got 36. A square you got 36. Because A is 6. So what is the equation of hyperbola? X square by 36 minus y square by 144 is equal to 1. Is asking to find the equation of the normal. Equation of the normal formula, given point. Tell me. Equation of the normal. Equation of normal at given point. देखिए बोलो. Shut your mouth. वो slope है. If when you give y is equal to mx, na, that is slope. When slope is equation of normal and tangent, I gave 3 conditions. When slope, when a point, when a what is that? Tell me. A square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 a square plus b square. This is the formula. Remember, the equation of the normal and tangent will be 3 forms will be there. Parametric point, given point, slope. So according to this here, a square is how much? 36. 36 x by is asking at point 10 comma 16 is here. Equation of the normal to the parabola at P, that is 10 comma 16. Means x1 will be 10. X1 will be 10 plus b square 144 y by y1 will be 16 is equal to a square plus b square. So 36 plus 144. So this is finally you are going to get, this is the equation of the normal. You just simplify this. This is anybody can simplify, right? This is 16, this is 10, and simplify you are going to get the answer. You will get the line equation. Okay. Can you do it? This is can be done, right? If you want to cancel this, is you can cancel any table, or you just do cross multiplication, you will get the answer. Fine. This is I can leave you your calculation part because it's very simple. 5 table, 2 5s are 2 1s, 2 8s, 18 times, and here you can cancel here. How many times you are going to get here? So okay, I cancel in 2 table only. Okay, fine. I thought here 4 table. So let's see here. 4 table it will be cancelled 8 times, and here 36 times, here 4 times, 4 ones are 4 nines are 36. So 16 nines are, it is cancelled out. So finally you got here 8x by 5 plus 9y is equal to, you get 144 plus 36 is 180. 180. Take 5 LCM. 8x plus 9 5s are 45y is equal to 180 into 5. This is the equation of the normal. You can cancel if it is possible to divide any table. Otherwise, that is the final answer. Okay, this is the way to deal the problems of tangent and normals to the hyperbola. So mostly they are asked normal and tangents and basic questions only. We can conclude that we can complete it, but still for JEE mains and advanced we can see still the syllabus. According to this we have to learn few more things. I will complete today if I possible. I will complete this chapter.